In this video, we'll organize your Lookeyz account by creating a business location, managing its details, and adding a new employee. We'll also explain how roles, permissions, and location assignments help each team member access the inventory and tools they need. We'll begin with locations because locations are the foundation of inventory organization in Lookeyz. Your company admin account already exists by default, but before you assign employees, you first need to define the places where your inventory is stored or managed. The locations table gives you a clear overview of every business location in the company. The name column identifies the location, the type column shows whether it is a van, store, warehouse, or office, and the address column shows where that location is physically based. This structure helps a locksmith company separate inventory between service vehicles, storefronts, warehouses, and administrative offices while still managing everything from one system. To create another location, click Add New in the top right corner. Now we'll create a location for Jason's assigned inventory. We'll name it Van 3 Jason and enter its Brooklyn address. The contact phone number is optional, so we can leave it blank when the location does not need a separate business number. Next is the location type. It tells the team whether inventory belongs to a service vehicle, a storefront, a warehouse, or an office. We'll select store for now. Once the form is complete, save the new location. Lookeyz returns us to the locations page where the new location immediately becomes part of the company's structure. From here, you can manage the location using the available actions. Use Edit whenever you need to update location details, and use Delete only when the location is no longer needed. Deleting a location can affect inventory tracking and employee assignments, so always confirm it's safe before deleting. Let's update this location. Van 3 is Jason's service van, so its type should be van, not store. We'll open the type selector and fix it. Correcting details like this keeps your inventory structure accurate, the location keeps its name and history, and the moment we save, the updated type appears everywhere the location is used. The users page shows the people who can access the company's Lookeyz account. In this example, the company already has one company admin, one dispatcher, and 2 technicians. The company admin controls the account, company settings, users, locations, and the complete inventory structure. Dispatchers see company-wide inventory and help manage day-to-day stock activity. The company admin can also grant them additional abilities, such as view reports and audit logs. Technicians are connected to their assigned locations. A field technician can view the stock in his assigned locations and submit deduction requests for items used on a job. By connecting each technician to the correct van, store, or other location, the company can track where inventory is located and which employee is responsible for it. To add another employee, click Add New. We'll begin with Jason's personal information, including his name, phone number, and email address. A profile picture can also be added to help employees identify one another, but it is optional, so we'll skip it in this example. Next, we choose the employee's role. For operational employees, Lookeyz provides 2 roles, dispatcher and technician. For Jason, we'll choose technician. Below the role, Lookeyz shows optional permissions. These are extra abilities the company admin can grant to a dispatcher. For example, view reports and audit logs, giving them additional responsibility without full admin control. Jason is a technician, so we'll leave these unchecked. Instead, technicians are connected to the locations they're responsible for. We'll enable Assign to Location and open the Assigned Locations list. An admin can assign one or several locations to an employee. For Jason, we'll choose Van 3, Jason, the van we created for him earlier. This assignment determines which stock Jason is responsible for. He can view the inventory in his assigned location and request deductions for items he uses without needing access to inventory belonging to every other van, store, or warehouse in the company. Company admins keep complete visibility across the business, dispatchers see company-wide inventory, and technicians stay focused on the locations assigned to them. Once the role and location are set, click Save Changes. Lookeyz creates the employee and emails them their login credentials. Jason now appears as a technician connected to his assigned location, giving the company a clear record of his role and inventory responsibility. Like locations, users can be updated or removed from the actions area when an employee's role, permissions, assignment, or employment status changes. With locations, roles, permissions, and employee assignments organized in one place, Lookeyz helps locksmith companies maintain clear inventory responsibility and give each team member access that matches their job.